All right, we're here with the 1950 Dodge Coronet, and we're gonna try and I'm gonna try and jack it up and take the tires off and possibly put Regina's old tires on it. Just something that'll hold air long enough to get it on a trailer. So that's what I'm gonna do.
All right. Just trying to put it on blocks. So when I get ready to tow it, I just don't want the tires, because those are the tires off of Regina, 56 Belvedere. I don't want them looking like that. I want to just be able to air them up, get this joker on the trailer, and skedaddle. Fortunately, that's the only blocks I have, so let's see how much more this puts it down on the tire. Not too bad. I think it should just hopefully air up. All right. All right, driver's side lefty, tighty, Roddy Lucy, right? Or did they change it? Those look like new studs. somebody did work on these hubs. Hopefully the brakes too, but at the very least, they did the wheel studs. Just gonna show you this. Somebody definitely did something to this car. They painted that my most hated color on the planet. I absolutely despise that color with a passion unbridled. But yeah, so stuff's definitely been done to this. Something else I'm noticing: complete exhaust removal. It's just dumped. But so is Regina. Nothing I haven't seen before. Okay, well, done for the day. Got the 2 tires on the back. Definitely flat, but I believe they'll air up. Could not get a tire on the front. There's the other back tire. The old truck tires that came on Regina, 2 of them anyway, too big. I need to invest in a good jack. Doing all this work on cars, I don't have a good jack. So the thing I'm encountering that I've never encountered before, and it sounds like pretty bad news. The studs are spinning, so can't get that one off. Yay. Looks like that whole thing probably just needs to be replaced anyway. The whole thing probably just needs to be replaced. Because, you know, there's 2 of them broken off. Yeah. So yeah, that's going to end it for today. One good news is I found a lot of the missing chrome, like this bezel piece, whole lot of side chrome and stuff, all in the trunk. So that's real good. All those nice decorative side pieces that go right there on the side fenders. So yeah, I mean, most people would call this a parts car, but I'm going to do what I can. I think any car can not be a parts car. Just depends on how much work you want to do. All right, till next time on the Dodge, thanks for watching.